Enhance your hydraulic system today with the Packer 43's hydraulic hose fitting 10143-16-16C, a reliable solution for a wide range of industry with a 1-inch inner diameter and a MPT pipe rigid connection. This fitting features the No-Skive technology, eliminating the need to remove the outer hose cover and reducing the risk of premature hose failure. Built with a one-piece stainless steel construction and a chrome-6 free plating, it delivers exceptional corrosion resistance and it bites the wire sealing power. This is perfect for the petroleum-based and phosphate-ester hydraulic fluids. It supports applications in industries like transportation, agriculture, marine, and oilfield services. This is available in over 2,500 configurations. The 43 series offer easy assembly, reduced complexity, and unmatched reliability. Upgrade your system today by visiting us at www.offshoredimensionspackerstore.com, or you can call us at 090-482-1645. You can also send us an email at sales@offshoredimensions.com. Place your order today.